Hello and welcome to another video where we will discover a simple copy pasting technique with the potential of earning a whopping $2,500 per day. So, what are we waiting for? Let's begin. In this exciting tutorial, I'm going to show you an easy step-by-step method for making money by simply copying and pasting images. Let me introduce you to an incredible opportunity. There's this website that receives over 100 million monthly visitors. All you got to do to earn from this website is to follow a method where you post downloaded images, post on this website, and voila, cash earned. The fantastic thing about this money-making method is that you don't need a social media presence, fancy skills, experience, or special equipment. And guess what? It won't cost you a single penny. It's completely free and super beginner-friendly. So grab your device, ensure you have a working internet connection, dive into this exciting venture, and get ready to start earning some cash. To kick things off, head to Google and type in Instagram quotes about money. You aim to locate simple images featuring business or motivational quotes set against a luxurious background, such as a stylish car or someone in a business suit. Once you've found an image that fits the bill, remember, we will turn these images into money-making assets. So for this step, all you need to do is find a bunch of these images on Google, preferably multiple ones that catch your eye. Let's get started on this exciting journey. Now, let's move on to step 2. In this phase, you'll find the perfect luxury image you can easily download from pexels.com. No need to create an account, just head to the top of the page and perform a search for something like luxury travel, luxury car, or luxury home. You'll be presented with an array of stunning images related to luxury. Choose an image that appeals to you and aligns with a motivational theme. Don't worry too much about the specific image. As long as it looks visually appealing and inspiring, it'll work perfectly. Once you've found the ideal image, click the download button and get ready to add your unique quote. Let's continue our exciting journey to turn these images into money-making assets. Alright, let's move on to step 3. Where we'll customize the image and make it our own and set it up for monetization. First, head to canva.com, create a free account, and log in. Once you're in, click social media and select a template, like your story, to open the graphic design editor. Now, access your downloads and drag the luxury image you previously downloaded from Pexels onto the Canva editor. Stretch the image to fit the screen perfectly. Click on the image and choose Edit Image from the top menu. Customize the filter and play around with the settings to create your desired background, giving it a unique touch. Next, let's add the code we found during our Google search. Click on Text, select Add a Heading, and type the quote inside the text box. Adjust the text color and style to make it visually appealing. Feel free to experiment and achieve the perfect look. If you like, you can add your own tag, signature, or watermark at the bottom to establish copyright and showcase it as your original content. Once you're satisfied with the final result, click Share at the top and select Download Image. Now, we'll post your custom image on an exciting, brand new platform that receives over 100 million monthly visitors, and this is not Instagram, Facebook, or Twitter. It's an untapped opportunity where you can start making money ahead of others. The platform we'll be using to monetize your image is called imgur.com. It's time to dive into this incredible opportunity and learn how to harness its potential to make money. So, let's continue our journey and explore the limitless potential of imgur.com. Now, if you're enjoying this video and want more valuable money-making ideas, don't forget to hit that bell, like, and subscribe to our channel to remain up to speed on our latest material. Let's explore this fantastic opportunity on imgur.com, a new and exciting social media platform akin to Instagram. Here, you can share images, viral videos, and motivational quotes that can potentially earn you money. First, sign up for an account on imgur.com and pick a unique nickname that revolves around money, business, or motivational quotes. Once logged in, click New Post at the top. Upload the custom image you created using Canva and it will appear on your account. Give your image an engaging title that resonates with your content. Add relevant tags so imgur.com can present your post to the right audience. For instance, if your image focuses on business and money motivation, you could use a title like Dream Big, Earn Bigger, and tags like small business and quotes. Now, it's time to turn your image into a money-making asset. Write a brief description at the bottom, begin with a captivating line about the idea, such as turn challenges into triumphs, rewrite your story. Then, introduce a product or service you're affiliated with, like learn how to make money even from home. To do this, you have two options. Option 1. Sign up with a survey website like inboxdollars.com. Copy a referral link from the Refer Friends section and you'll start earning money every time someone signs up using your link. Option 2. Visit clickbank.com and promote a specific training or course that teaches people how to earn money from home. As an affiliate, you earn commissions every time someone signs up through your unique referral link. Shorten the affiliate link using bit.ly.com and paste it into your image's description. Now, anyone who views your post can click on the link, sign up for the product or service, and you'll start earning commissions. Combining custom and downloaded images, promoting the right products, and leveraging the right platforms can generate a substantial income, potentially earning over $100 or more. Ensure you feature products that genuinely add value and are relevant to your audience's interests. Once everything is set up, click Post to Community and your post will be live on the account. Monitor how many people engage with your post and click on your links. As they sign up, you'll start earning money. This method effectively lets you monetize your creativity and online presence, making it a win-win situation for everyone involved. So, start crafting your custom images, upload them to imgur.com, and watch as you make money while inspiring and helping others along the way. I want to emphasize the incredible opportunity ahead of us with this brand new website. imgur.com presents a unique platform where we can unleash our creativity, inspire others with motivational quotes and captivating images, and turn our passions for affiliate marketing into rewarding money-making side hustle. By leveraging the power of affiliate marketing on Imgur, we have the chance to showcase our custom images and share products or services that genuinely resonate with our audience. The potential to earn a substantial income through commissions is right at our fingertips, and the best part is that we're doing it all in a way that adds value to people's lives. This journey is about making money and connecting with a community that appreciates creativity, motivation, and personal growth. Through our thoughtfully designed images and products we endorse, we have a chance to positively impact people's lives, empowering them to pursue their dreams and aspirations. As we embark on this new venture, let's remember that success in affiliate marketing comes from authenticity and genuine passion. We're not simply selling products, we're sharing opportunities and solutions that can truly benefit others. Imgur.com is our canvas, and our images are the brushstrokes that paint a picture of inspiration and empowerment. Together, we can create a ripple effect of motivation and prosperity, inspiring countless individuals to reach for their goals and unlock their full potential. So, let's embrace this exciting journey with enthusiasm and dedication. Let's curate images that evoke emotion, encourage growth, and ignite ambition. By continuing to explore and innovate on this incredible platform, we have the chance to earn money and make a difference in people's lives. Let's seize this opportunity to transform our creativity into a catalyst for success and turn our passion for affiliate marketing into a powerful force for positive change. Let's make imgur.com not just a place for images, but a place where dreams take flight and aspirations become reality. So, seize this opportunity, but remember to stay vigilant in your pursuit of knowledge and improvement. Embrace the vast array of available tools and technologies, constantly seeking new and exciting ways to enhance your online ventures, expand your reach, and ultimately achieve your goals. The potential for success is boundless when you combine innovative tools with your creativity, passion, and entrepreneurial spirit. Happy money making and inspiring, everyone, and best of luck out there. And that's a wrap. We hope you found this video beneficial and exciting. Remember that there are several online money-making opportunities, and if you want to learn more, check out our other videos. Do not forget to like this video, subscribe to our channel, and hit that bell for more tips and ideas on expanding your online presence and turning your interests into a profitable business. We thank you for sticking around, and we will see you in the next one.